Hello everyone, my name is Leone Ferragamo and welcome to my presentation on ABC Corporation. Today I'm going to walk you through how the company is structured, the key financial accounts we use, and the internal controls we put in place to keep everything running smoothly and securely. It's quick but insightful. Look into ABC company is a setup for success. Let's dive right in. When deciding how to structure ABC company, I went for corporation because it just made the most sense for long-term growth and protection. First off, limited liability means I'm not personally on the hook if the company faces any financial trouble. Huge relief. It's a separate legal entity which protects my personal assets and gives the business its own legal life. One of the biggest wins in the ability to raise money by selling shares, which is super helpful for a retail business like mine that might need funding for marketing, inventory, or tech. It also comes with benefits like tax deduction and the ability to keep operating even if I move on. Now, there are some extra regulations and the dreaded double taxation, but honestly, the pros far outweigh the cons for what I want to build. The chart of accounts. Here's a high-level look at the charts of accounts for ABC Company. These accounts help track every dollar that moves through the business. On the asset side, we've got the basic: cash, accounts receivable, inventory, and or equipment. These are things we own or expect to get rid of. Liabilities include things we owe, like accounts payable, wages we need to pay, and any loans. Equity includes owner investments, like common stock and any profit we've held onto or retained earnings. Revenue is what we earn, think sales or service income. And expenses are what we spend to keep the business running: rent, utilities, salaries, just to name a few. This structure keeps our financial record organized and easy to report. So, how do we keep things in check? Let's talk internal controls, aka how we keep our company safe and accountable. First, we separate duties so that no single person can handle an entire transaction alone. That reduces the chance for fraud or mistake. We make sure that certain actions like spending money requires managerial approval, that way nothing slips through the cracks. Physically, we secure cash, inventory, and sensitive documents to protect them from theft and damage. We also perform monthly reconciliations, comparing what's in our books to what in our bank account to catch any errors. Finally, we keep all our documents organized: receipts, invoice, contracts, so we always have proof of what we went down. These practices create a solid safety net for the business. So, to wrap it up, ABC Corporation is structured in a way that protects both me and the business. Our charts of account gives us financial clarity, and the internal controls we put in place help us stay secure, honest, and ready to grow. It's about building a business that's not just successful but sustainable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful and learned something new about how companies like ABC are built from the inside out.